just for the heck of it. 0.15. Let's find out which is close. Okay, we have, if you look at the top part, same column, we have one value 0.1515. This is going beyond 0.15, so we don't take that. You don't go beyond that value you are looking for. So the next one is 0.1492. It's much closer to 0.15. So we take that one. So if it is 70% of the times, then it will be then it will be 0.1492, which is closer to 0.15. That means the z-score will be 1.0. Another example, if it is 60% of the time, then it will be 0.20, right? So 0.20, you move over to, where is 0.20? Here. Look at page number 225, column C. 0.20, okay. If you go down that column, you have one value which is 0.2005 and the one underneath that is 0.1977. And the idea is you shouldn't go over the number you are looking at. So we will go for 0.1977. That means the z-score will be 0.85. Are you guys with me? So that's how we are going to calculate. Always remember, if depending on what percentage I am asking you, it could be 80%, 70%. I'm not going to ask you 75%, then it will be a disaster. 75% will, why do you think it will be a disaster? 75 divided by 2 is what? 37.5. 37.5, it will be very difficult to find out those things in this table. So it will always be an even number. So I will give you either 80% or 70% or 60%. And then you do it accordingly. It's a symmetrical curve, half of the curve. So if it is 60%, then this part will be 30% and this part will be 20%. 20% means 0.20. Then you go back to the table, column C, and then find out this z-score from that. And then plug these things in the formula. So once we get this value, so we got this value on this side. So here it is 28.36. Yeah.
You paid 21,977 for that one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's 0.15 if it's 70%, right? And you said you don't want to go. Why do you pick 0.1977? How we go?
No, that one I picked that one because it was, I talked about 60%.
Okay,
If it is 60%, then this is 20%, right?
Okay.
And that means 0.20.
Okay.
If it is 60%, then you pick up that one.
Okay.
The only thing is, remember, don't go beyond the number you are looking at. So 20% is 0.20. I think the one above that is 0.2003, which is going over that thing. So don't go over that one. Pick something which is right next to it. It may be, it's not going to be exactly 0.2000, but pick the one which is much closer to that without going above that. Okay? So right side we have this value, and the left hand side right here we have 25.64. So now we can say that if you draw a new sample, then 80% chance that it will fall between 25.64 and 28.36. That will make it 80%. That is the range. Anybody has any problem, any trouble? Please feel free.